The current president of Burkina Faso, Ibrahim Traore, is leading a bold project to create an integrated pharmaceutical park in his nation. This achievement is a crucial step in strengthening the nation's healthcare system, expanding access to reasonably priced, locally made medications, and promoting economic growth in West Africa. An integrated pharmaceutical technology park in Cocoa Logo is being developed by Ibrahim Traore. Africa's largest pharmaceutical technology park will be located here. Africa has never seen anything like the magnitude and technology planned for the park, as Traore want to discontinue bringing in medications from other continents. He has now introduced the technology necessary to produce the medications that Africans were previously forced to acquire from elsewhere. He intends to make them, market them in Africa, and create them. It's also rather wonderful. The project is now underway after the land and all of its components were acquired. Let's head over and you may observe the project's current state and the flow of events. It's astonishing. No other African leader has taken such an action. Cocoa Logo features the Pharmaceutical Technopole project. Examining the year's worth of activity is the technical group of the Interministerial Technical Monitoring Committee. The 2024 inaugural session. Production of medicines. One of the main objectives of this pharmaceutical park is to lessen Burkina Faso's reliance on imported drugs. Burkina Faso, like many other African countries, has historically relied on the importation of pharmaceuticals, which drives up the cost of healthcare and restricts access for its citizens. The park seeks to address the nation's demand for basic medications, such as cures for TB, malaria, and other common illnesses, by establishing local production facilities. Collaboration and integration at the regional level. The pharmaceutical park is not just a national endeavor, but also a component of a larger endeavor to unify pharmaceutical manufacturing throughout West Africa. In order to combine resources, knowledge, and market access, Traore envisions promoting regional collaboration. This strategy is consistent with Agenda 2063 of the African Union, which highlights regional integration as a catalyst for sustainable development. Burkina Faso can benefit from economies of scale and raise the standard of locally made medications by working with other nations. Job creation and economic diversification. Burkina Faso's job creation will be greatly enhanced by the establishment of a pharmaceutical park. Agriculture and mining, especially of gold, have historically played a major role in the nation's economy. These industries are, nonetheless, frequently exposed to environmental issues and changes in world prices. The pharmaceutical sector offers a chance to boost economic diversification, provide high-paying jobs, and lessen poverty. Thousands of direct and indirect employment in pharmaceutical production, R&D, quality assurance, and supply chain management are anticipated to be created by Traore's program. Increasing healthcare resilience. The COVID-19 pandemic revealed the weaknesses in international supply networks, especially in the medical field. During the epidemic, several African nations experienced a lack of basic medical supplies and medications. Burkina Faso wants to make its healthcare system more resilient to shocks in the future by building up indigenous production capability. By reducing the nation's risk to interruptions in the global market, the pharmaceutical park will guarantee a consistent supply of necessary pharmaceuticals, promoting research and innovation. Ibrahim Traore's Pharmaceutical Park will act as a center for medical research and innovation. Enhancing public health. The park's contribution to the local manufacture of reasonably priced, superior pharmaceuticals will enhance public health outcomes. Due to their high prices and restricted availability, life-saving medications are difficult for many individuals in Burkina Faso, especially those who live in rural regions. The burden of illnesses like malaria, HIV/AIDS, and other neglected tropical diseases will be lessened by local manufacture of important medications, which will also make them more inexpensive and accessible. President Ibrahim Traore of Burkina Faso led the effort to establish the Pharmaceutical Technopole project in Cocologo, which is a calculated move to support regional pharmaceutical industry. The Cocologo initiative aims to lessen the nation's dependency on imports by increasing the supply of reasonably priced, superior medications. Burkina Faso's pharmaceutical industry is to be strengthened and its healthcare facilities improved. For the long-term economic and medical advancement of the nation, the Technopole project is regarded as a pillar, an important step in revolutionizing Burkina Faso's healthcare system and economic growth. Is Ibrahim Traore's proposal to create an integrated pharmaceutical park, in addition to improving access to reasonably priced healthcare and generating thousands of employment. The park has the potential to lessen the nation's need on imported medications. Burkina Faso is also positioned as a regional leader in pharmaceutical research and manufacture. Notwithstanding the ongoing difficulties with worker capacity, regulatory changes, and infrastructural development, the advantages of the pharmaceutical park much exceed the hazards. This effort has the potential to serve as a model for other African countries that aim to enhance their healthcare systems and economy through domestic pharmaceutical manufacture, provided that it is backed by robust government backing, strategic collaborations, and investments in education and training.